Hello, this is another tutorial video using Bandicam. So today I'm going to show you how to save the lock screen images on your computer permanently, because after a certain amount of time the lock screen images will get deleted. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to know where the lock screen images are hidden. So I have a shortcut to it already. As you see, I have a shortcut in my documents folder. Documents, it's called hidden lock screen JPEGs. So when I double click this is the folder. This is the address. So I actually got this information from an article, that explains how to do it. So it's C, users, your username, app data, local, packages, Microsoft.Windows.Content Delivery Manager underscore, and I don't know if this gibberish right here is going to be the same, / local state / assets. And that takes you to your lock screen images. Let's actually, if we were to, travel there manually, you'd want to turn on your hidden, you'd want to go to view and have hidden items selected, so that when you travel there manually, so if you were to go to manually, see user Jacob, was again app data. See, app data is hidden. Local packages. Okay, local packages, and you could just kind of drill down in there. Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Manager. This one I think might have a different gibberish. Microsoft Windows Content. Oh, Windows. Yeah, this code right here, CW5N, I don't know if that's the same for everybody. That's why you should manually drill down in there. Local state assets. Local state asset. And then you could just, create a shortcut to this. If you just right drag this, and, oh, wait a minute, you can't do it that way. Go to right click, properties, and, oh, that's not going to give you the whole address, is it? So, alright, so let's go into assets. Okay, let's go here. So now if you copy this and you create a new shortcut, you can, yeah, there we go. See? And then you got your shortcut here. So, I don't need the shortcut because I already have a shortcut to it. Okay, so now what I do is I select the big files. Okay, so over at least 100 kilobytes. Those are going to be the files that want. So you can use shift. You can use control. If you hold down control, it'll do one at a time. And I think you can use a combination of shift and control. No, wait a minute. I guess you can't. And I just take the big files and ones that are over 100K. And you have to do this pretty recently after you find after you see a cool lock screen image. Because if you wait too long, these files are going to be deleted. So what I do is I copy these and I create a little temporary folder here. You can call it whatever you want. And I paste them in here. Now you'll notice that these don't look like pictures. And that's because they're missing the file extension. You know, they don't have a .jpg at the end. But because they don't have a .jpg, it makes them hard to view. And, you know, that's done, I'm guessing that's done intentionally because they want to try to prevent people from, you know, storing copies of these images on their computer. So what I do is, rather than renaming all these individually, is I just run the command prompt. So cmd in Windows 10, and then you just go cd space, that's going to change the directory, and then you just drag this down into the command prompt, and you, as you can see, it pastes that in there. So then I press enter, and then I run the command ren, which means rename, asterisk period asterisk to asterisk period jpg. So that's going to go all files to make it end with .jpg. And as soon as I press that, you'll see these all look like pictures. And this is the one I want right here. So I'm going to actually right click and cut this out of here. And I have a folder because I, you know, love keeping everything organized. I'm going to go back to that. Oh, wait a minute. Well, you could just go to your folder. You can go into your documents folder. So I have in my documents folder. You could just put them in your pictures folder if you wanted to. You could just go in pictures and put them in there, or put a folder in your documents, you know. And then I just go to the folder that I want to save it in and paste it. And then if you want to, you can actually rename it to give it a more logical name. Rename it whatever you want. You don't have to rename it the way I name it. So, and now these, I've been collecting them, and that's how you do it. You just close this, and it's all set. Oh, wait a minute. This one, you know, if these other pictures you don't want, you can just delete that. This is just a copy, so just delete that, and that's it. Alright, if you like this video, leave a like. Alright, that's another tutorial by me, Jacob Persco. How to save your lock screen images so that you get to keep them. And you can see in the background one of the lock screen images that Microsoft Windows found for me, I liked enough to put as my background for now. Alright, take care.